In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gmail categories in just a few simple steps. If you're looking to streamline your email experience and gain better control over your inbox, stay tuned because I'll guide you through the process with ease. We'll take it nice and slow, ensuring every detail is covered so you can follow along without any confusion. First, let's start by opening your Gmail account. You can do this by heading over to gmail.com in your preferred web browser. Enter your login credentials if prompted, and you should see your inbox displayed. Now, you might be wondering why you'd want to turn off categories. Well, by default, Gmail sorts your emails into various categories like primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. While this can be helpful for some, others find it more of a hindrance, preferring to see all their emails in one unified list. If you're in the latter group, let's continue. Once you have your Gmail inbox open, navigate to the top right corner and click on the gear icon, which will open up the Quick Settings panel. This panel provides a glimpse into some of the settings you can quickly adjust. However, for our task today, you'll need to go a bit deeper. Click on See All Settings at the top of the Quick Settings menu. This will open a new page displaying various settings options. Now, select the Inbox tab. This section is where you can manage how your emails are categorized and displayed. Under the Categories section, you'll notice checkboxes next to the different categories like primary, social, promotions, and more. To turn off these categories, simply uncheck each box. By doing this, you're effectively telling Gmail not to sort your emails into these categories, and instead, they will all appear in the primary tab. This will give you a more traditional email experience. After unchecking the categories you want to remove, scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Save Changes. It's crucial not to forget this step, as failing to save your changes means Gmail will revert to the settings as they were before. The page will refresh, and you should see your emails in one unified list under the primary tab without any tabs for other categories. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off Gmail categories, giving you a clean, unified view of your emails. If you ever want to revert or try organizing your emails differently, simply follow these steps again and select the categories you wish to activate. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify your Gmail experience. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.